All right, so coming back from TJ Maxx, this is what I got. So we got the controller and phone holder. You got the Zombie Ghost and the Lieutenant Simon Ghost Riley. I kind of opened it, so that's why the box doesn't look as clean right now. But I want to take them out the box to show everyone. And then also picked up the PlayStation and Xbox neon lights, LED neon lights. And again, these do light up. You get the Xbox and you get the PlayStation. So yeah, let me go ahead and take these out of the box for you guys, especially for these two here, just so you can see how the controller sits. All right, so here they are out of the box. We'll start first with Zombie Ghost. Let you look at the details on them. So again, this is Zombie Ghost. So this is the zombie theme. If you look at his fingers, you can see some of them are actually like taken off. They're not fully fingered. This is the front, and then show you on the back. So that's Zombie Ghost. And then we'll move to regular Ghost. As you can see, he has his Peltors on. I think he can. No, doesn't really move up or down. Pretty stationary, so just let you guys be able to see up close how they look. For the price, I think these were well worth it. Would I buy more? Yes, I would. So again, I was able to get this from TJ Maxx at $14.99. That was for Ghost Zombie. And then I was able to get this one, pretty lucky. Found it on the clearance shelf. Got that one for $10. So yeah, but let me show you what it looks like whenever you have a controller. So here's my Xbox controller. So it's pretty good, pretty secure. So matches pretty much just like the picture. So you can do your Xbox, and you got PlayStation, and then again too, if you have your phone as well. So this is what it looks like with Zombie Ghost. Let me show you with regular Ghost. To the side. Yep, so there you go. Got these pretty cool holders from TJ Maxx. So let me move on next to the LED neon lights. All right, so here I got the Xbox and the PlayStation LED neon lights out of the box. Pretty simple setup, right? So it comes out the box like this. And then you have the wires here. I have it plugged up to my portable charger just so you can see. So it's going USB, and then as long as you have like a plug or something to the wall outlet, you should be good to turn these on. Or even, I wonder if plugging up to your computer desktop USBs, I'm pretty sure they'll have enough power to turn these on. Right now I have them turned off, right? So again, plugged up to the portable, and then all it is just a push of a button, Should be from here. And then from here as well. This is the Xbox. Boom. So that's what they look like when they're turned on. Give you the show whenever the lights are actually turned on. Yep, so there you go. These were my pickups from TJ Maxx. Like I said, I got the LED neon signs and the controller holders. Let me show you the prices for. Give you the prices for the neon lights again. So for both PlayStation and the Xbox, they are the same price, $16.99. Now I just got to figure out where I want to put these for the signs. Definitely for the holders, they'll probably be like at the edge of the monitors. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this TJ Maxx buy. Again, this is what it with the lights off. I think I'll probably be going back to get some more stuff as well. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, if you like what you see, please like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time.